GSLV Mk III. All you need to know. The GSLV Mk III rocket is scheduled to lift off at 5:28 p.m. today. It is a 3-stage vehicle with indigenous cryogenic upper stage engine. It is designed to carry heavier communication satellites into the geosynchronous transfer orbit. The mission is significant as the GSLV Mk III is the heaviest rocket to be launched from our own soil. It will be the country's vehicle to ferry Indians into the space. For the first time, there will be no transponders on the satellite. Isro is using a whole new way, beaming data down using multiple frequency beams. The GSAT-19 considered to be a high-through satellite. Though this satellite almost 6 to 7 times more data can be beamed down. GSAT-19 is forerunner for the technologies that Isro seeks to unleash on the country.